once you stop, I mean, if you don't say anything, she just doesn't do it anymore, you know, and the little dog leaves her alone, doesn't bother her. But she so wants Eloise to play.
Eloise, how could you not play with this little thing?
So, he wants to play.